Good day, guys. As you all know me, as I'm into Nasdaq Ninja. So, guys, before I can continue, can you please like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so that you can get notified once I upload? So, guys, yes, I have realized that I haven't been uploading videos since last week. It's just that I was in a bigger break. Sometimes in life you gotta take that break just to understand yourself and your body and relax. Understand? Because it's not every time whereby you have to be like consistently coming up. You understand? Sometimes break is gotta be needed, you understand? So I was on my break, taking my break, but I feel like now I'm done. Just a week, guys. I worked the whole year last year. So I was like, let me take this week and then relax the whole week, and it was the nicest week because I tend to like got the time to go to Cape Town. I went to Cape Town, had fun at Cape Town. I came back like I think the day before yesterday, so I really enjoyed my time, understand? So at the end of the day, guys, let me give you my time now because it seems like I owe you guys my time, like I have to pay rent, I have to come here, pay rent on YouTube, and I've seen people be like, I can't even go live, be like, hey, bro, when are you uploading the videos and bro, and truly speaking, and the market wasn't in the correct phase whereby I can upload videos, even like currently, I'm just like being forced to do so due to that. I have to figure out where is the market going because a lot of people might be losing capital on my YouTube channel and I don't like that. You understand? So guys, at the end of the day, if you're looking for free channel, there's the link in the description. Instagram, guys, Nasdaq underscore ninja. Facebook, Nasdaq underscore ninja. They have like high followers to other accounts. So the one that has the highest followers, it's mine, guys. There is no way mine can have less followers, you understand? So my WhatsApp numbers are down there if you need our services. Let's meet on our WhatsApp. Yeah, so let's continue, guys. This is how it is, guys. Currently you can see I'm on USDT. So where the market is, right? Everybody's trying to sell. You understand? Everyone's trying to sell. But in my realization is that what you have to realize is what the market always does. The market just hit breakout, retest, go. Breakout, retest, go. Okay, let's go. Breakout, retest, go. Okay, that's good. Breakout, retest, go. So why should I say the market has to sell? Other people can say, bro, we have like a falling wedge there. You understand? We have a falling wedge which can considered as being a reversal trade. But I will tell you something about how I trade. How I trade, I have to break this position to be able to know that I'm gonna sell or buy. Understand? So at the moment, since I'm not breaking that position, I take buying opportunities. You get the point? My selling opportunities could be here, and then I wouldn't mind if it will break or what. But at the end of the day, I know it's going to break because if I go with the whole structure of this market, it's a selling opportunity. You get the point. But now, what can we take sales at a certain point? It's because of one thing. We are at the retest now. We are at the retest. We can't take, if you're to enter a trade on the third touch, you could be like targeting somewhere that we can never say it will break. Well, it haven't broken. You get the point. But at the end of the day, what I'm trying to say is at the moment we go with whatever structure that we see and then we're gonna respect it. You understand? So at the moment, I just see a proper buying opportunities. Like I told you, what I've realized is when breaks out comes back and retest. Breakout come back and retest. So this kind of like a retest here. So we're gonna be taking buying opportunities. Not saying my previous videos were buys and the other one, not saying it's only buys, guys. That's what the market is doing at the moment, and I can never come up with something that it comes from my mind. Like, I have to go with the analysis. So if the analysis says this, I gotta go with what the analysis say. You understand? So here they were just taking people out. And if you see that, it means the market can create a bigger movement in that certain direction. But at the moment, as a scalper, we're going to scalp buys. Understand? Long term, guys, it's a sell, but where are you gonna get that sell? So we're gonna scalp this by put our stop loss here and then put our take profit straight on the trend line. And then what we can do now is that check the time, what time it is. It's still 7. The market haven't yet moved like the way we want it to move. So let's check, guys. Let's check. Let's keep on check. So this is just a simple retest, guys. I think like this is a beautiful one, so far. It's beautiful. And remember, guys, when the market is so beautiful, doesn't mean you're gonna win. No. The more it becomes beautiful, the more you're gonna lose. It has to become difficult. So here, guys, we have like sort of like a head and shoulder wise here. You can see this kind of left and then it's kind of right. But I feel like still, guys, I'm on my buying opportunities. I wanna see what's gonna happen. maybe our first check profit, we can take it strictly here. Our second one, obviously, we'll lock it here and then we take it there. You understand? So if you can do that, maybe you can come up with something today. Let's make sure we bag it, guys. Let's make sure we bag this thing, guys. We don't miss. Cover, we already buying. We already buying, we're already buying, guys. So that's how it is. As much as you can see, let's jumping on Nasdaq and see what is it that we have on Nasdaq, guys. It's very important to do that. So you can see Nasdaq trying to like drop, but at the end of the day, we're gonna take it to the highest sample. So what I like about the market, I like a market that has like a hand, when I know that I'm gonna be feeling this hand. But at the end of the day, this is what it is. You can see Nasdaq is trying to sell. That's a bigger problem. That's a bigger problem. They take the same direction with USDT. So if this one is selling, it might affect the other one to sell. So it's very important for us to understand the structure of the market before everything. So let's go to the daily time frame and see what is it that we have on the daily time frame. So this is what I'm talking about, guys. The market is just keep on buying. So to analyze it, it's not easy. It's not really, really easy. You just have to have like a lot of experience. So all of them, you can see they have like a falling wedge here. It's a rising wedge, I mean. All of them, they have a rising wedge, a reversal one, a reversal rising wedge. So if you can check here, there's a beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. At the end of the day here, we have our double top here. Understand? So beautiful, guys. It's beautiful. And then here, the retest wasn't meant correctly. So we can go like this, and then like this. I feel like it will break. But remember, if it haven't broken, we can never tell it to break. Now we have to wait for it to break. Understand? So let's go to the weekly time frame and just really create everything and analyze the market. So we can understand what's actually going on. We broke our last high here. So that's what is actually like confusing everyone now. Because the market is keep on creating new highs, new highs, new highs. But don't get confused. The market is something that you just have to relax. When you trade the market, relax, you're gonna get it. Understand? So if you start confusing yourself with certain things, nah, you're not gonna get it correct. Remember, this previous trend line is no longer working. So yeah, actually gonna do this. You see here it broken, we're gonna come in here. And I like this one because it created a bigger movement. So for it to come back and create a second touch, it will be me being more confident enough to understand this is something that once created this, you understand? So oh, nice. Nice. This is nice, guys. This is nice. Okay, let's come again here. That's so nice. Let's go again. So it was about to touch, but it didn't touch. Which can be like too strong to create certain movement. It was about to, but it didn't. For what good reason? I don't know. Okay, so let's push to daily time frame. Remember, guys, here for this time, we gotta get the same direction. This is not 1630 whereby you don't get the same direction. So let's push this support to be here. So we understand this is our consolidation. So this is how the market can play around. This is how the market can play around. I feel like that's a proper sell. Understand? So that's how the market can play around here. Understand? So let's go to H4 and see what is it that we see. Yeah, I feel like it's a proper sell when it comes to this one because you can just put your stop loss here. So this will actually force us to go and analyze USDT thoroughly. So bad, you're analyzing. So put your stop loss there, and then you want to understand what's going on here. That is why here we like using zones, chance. There's the problem. And then we're gonna come say zone here, and then zone at the top side there, and then zone here, and then zone here. Zone again here. Yeah. So let's do it like this. Let's check. Okay, let's create another one. On H4 time frame, I don't like zones, but let's just create another one. So here, guys, I feel like the market's kind of like it's going to sell. In another way, I feel like it's a buy. Let's keep on going to the lowest time frame and see what's going on here. Nah, nah, nah. This is a buy, chance. This is a simple buy. I know this the setup. I know the setup. This is a simple setup, guys, and it will take you out if you don't focus. So here we have like a proper support. The more you go into the down time frame, that's when you got to see what's actually happening here. Yeah, there's the buy. And we actually gonna update this profit. You understand, guys? We always analyze. We don't update them, and that's where people think like we didn't catch it. But I know those students that are always focused, they can see that we caught it. We caught all these buys, man. We caught all these buys. So this is like a proper buy. You can see it's already buy. So one thing that made me realize there's a buy. It's how it's playing around. And once it breaks this point here, we move. We move straight to the top. Big profit we're gonna hit even today. You're playing, brother. You're playing, bro. You're playing. We're going to hit the take profit. Once we break this, we're gone. Trust me, I'm not playing no games. Once we hit that, we are gone. You get the point? So let's jump into Euro USD and see what is it that it has for us. This is our Euro USD with a falling wedge. With a falling wedge. One thing that I've realized about currencies versus indices when it comes to fundamental cover currencies, man, they just took a sell, went to the bottom. But if you can check on the other side, US30 came back. For what good reason? I don't understand. This one went, and I came up with the point whereby I can really analyze fundamental using Euro USD. Check, this was just a falling wedge, which if I could discovered, I could have seen it. Understand? That was a rising wedge. There's a falling wedge. You see, this is just the wedges. This is just the easiest of how the market goes. You get the point. So here, guys, it's a buy. Once I see this pattern, I know it's a buy. But let me go to the weekly time frame and start with you on. Oh, I sold, guys, sold. I like the sell. The sell it's kind of like so incredible. So here, what can I do monthly? Let's keep on pushing to the monthly. I hate it because I already see where the market is going. But let's not be lazy to do that. Gonna create zones where the market touches, the market reverses. There's other zones there. There's other zones. There's other zones, guys. There's other zones. Remember, guys, if you're looking for a free channel, click in the link in the description. Okay, so let's come again here. There's like a major trend line, guys, major trend line. So this is kind of like something that has been working there since 2003. So nonetheless, for you to mind about it. Let's push to weekly. I'm gonna see something quick here. I have like my major trend line here. So this can be like our retest straight here. Yeah, retest here. So which will allow us to push furthermore to the top side to hit our 90% rule off here. So let's push to the daily time frame and see what is it that we have. On the daily time frame, we kind of like have this kind of like consolidation here. It's actually on the weekly time frame. Now we can take it straight here and then straight again here. You see, so the market touched here, went here, came back here, come back here, came back here, came back here. So sooner or later, I think we start seeing buying opportunities because if it touched here and touched here, the second one doesn't end there because you can see this one touched it, the second one didn't, but the third one did. So that's something that you gotta check. We have our proper support here. There's our proper support. There's our proper support here. So the market will be supported at a certain point here, straight here. So we might start seeing buying opportunities at that certain point. So let's remove whatever it was there. Then push to H4. Yeah, we're gonna start seeing buying opportunities there. Let's push to 60 minutes time frame. So you can see how the market is rejecting at this certain point, just to show us that at this certain phase, we might be getting buying opportunities. You get the point. So let me quickly do this. Gonna reduce this one here to here. Yeah. So yeah, here guys, we might start getting our buying opportunities, bigger buys. You can see this just the falling wedge. So the falling wedge is always like this. It's always like this. It's a yeah, falling wedge. So it will go like this. It's always like this. So that's what we currently seeing now. This is like my favorite pattern, guys. 30 minutes. You gotta have a favorite pattern. I had someone saying you gotta trade what you love. It was like, trade what you love, not what, bruh. How can you love something that is not making you money? Some other things they need common sense. Like we shouldn't be stupid forever. So our take profit is strictly straight there here. So you see, there's a proper buy, proper buy. Nice. So we got it correct, guys. Thank you guys for watching this video, guys. Let's meet on another video, guys. I just wanna enter the buys. I see a lot of them here. Let's milk. Thank you, guys.